Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Zapier with Google Sheets so you can easily automate your tasks. First, open Zapier on your browser and log into your account. On the left side, click on Create. Zap. This is where we'll set up the automation. In the search bar under Trigger, type Google Sheets and select it. Zapier will now ask you to connect your Google account. Just click on Sign in with Google, choose the account you want to use, and then allow permissions. Once that's done, you'll be able to pick the spreadsheet you want to connect. For example, you can select a specific sheet where new rows get added. This will act as your trigger for the automation. After setting that up, you can choose any app for the action, like sending data to Gmail, Slack, or even another Google Sheet. Finally, test your Zap to make sure everything is working, and then click Publish Zap. From now on, Zapier will automatically run that workflow whenever your trigger happens, and that's it. You've successfully connected Google Sheets to Zapier and created your first automation.